The story of Lord Rama and the floating stones. It was told to us by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravishankar ji a long time ago, and it is a very little known story from the Ramayana which can really teach you how to live your life. Before I get into that story, I want to tell you to please subscribe to our channel BND TV so that you never miss a video that we upload here. You know, Sita had been kidnapped, and Rama, through his adventures in the jungles, meets Lord Hanuman and his entire Vanar Sena and enlists their help to get his wife back and fight for dharma and righteousness. The entire army has now reached the shores of India, where a vast expanse of ocean separates them from Lanka. As Lord Rama is wondering how they are going to cross the ocean, one of the monkeys comes, he has a huge rock in his hand, he throws the rock into the ocean saying, Jai Sri Ram, and the rock floats. And the other monkeys look and they start doing the same thing. They take these huge rocks, they say Jai Sri Ram, and they throw the rock into the ocean and the rock floats. And slowly but surely a bridge starts getting built. In fact, this bridge is still visible today. If you fly over the India-Sri Lanka Sea, you can see that it's called the Ram Setu. Rama is very confused by all this, because when no one is looking, he's sitting on the sea at the beach, and he takes one stone and he throws it into the into the ocean, and it sinks. And along comes a monkey with a huge rock. He says, Jai Shri Ram, and he throws it into the ocean, and it floats. And Ram is like, what's going on here? He takes another stone, he looks, no one is looking, and he throws it into the ocean. Again it sinks. He's very, very confused, and he's very, very thoughtful. And Hanuman comes to him and says, what's going on? Why are you so pensive? Why are you so thoughtful? What are you thinking of? You should be rejoicing. In a little while, we are going to Lanka. We will vanquish Ravana and you will get your wife back. What are you so thoughtful about? And just then a monkey comes, says, Jai Shri Ram, and throws the rock into the ocean, and it floats. And Ram tells Hanuman, look, this is what I'm confused about. He says, when I take a stone and throw it into the ocean, it sinks. But when your Vanar Sena does the same thing, and these huge boulders they throw in the ocean, they say Jai Shri Ram, and they take my name, and those rocks they float. And Lord Hanuman says, oh, is that what's bothering you? He says, you are the Lord, you are God. आप यदि किसी को फेंक दोगे तो वो तो डूबेगा ही ना. Which means if you as God discard something, then that thing is going to sink. It is only जब आप किसी को अपनाते हो तभी तो वो तैर जाएगा. When you consider someone your own, then they will get enlightened, they will go towards moksha, towards liberation. And for me, that story tells me that I need to be me. I need to be authentic to who I am. When I put on a show, when I put on a mask, and I lose my authenticity, I lose my integrity. I lose myself. In trying to please others, in trying to make a show of what I am not, I do not live my life to its fullest potential. How about you? Do you do the same thing? Do you put on a few masks here and there to navigate through life? Or are you authentic? Are you original? Do you have integrity? This story shows me that when Lord Ram is in his own power, he actually saves the entire creation. But when he moves out of that, then everything around him collapses. Today, a more than 500-year-old conflict has been resolved. The Ram Mandir in Ayodhya has finally been consecrated, and Lord Rama returns to his rightful place in his home after so many, many years. So many lives were lost, so much angst was created. And it is just amazing that in our lifetime, we get to see the birth of Ayodhya all over again. I'll see you in the next video, which talks about the secret of Lord Ram and Hanuman. See you there.